by Kripa Jacob. Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion and an object at rest will stay at rest unless an external force applies to it. In this example, one direction is jumping and is in motion. They will stay in motion unless something or someone stops it. In this case, gravity is pulling them down and is the external force. A body at rest tends to stay at rest until an external force applies to it. In this case, there is no external force acting upon Louis, so he's at rest. But if something or someone pushes him, which would be the external force, he would not be at rest anymore. Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law states that force equals mass times acceleration. In this example, when Louis kicks the ball, that is the force that he uses, and divided by the mass of the ball will equal its acceleration. In the same way, the mass of their bodies times the force they use to jump will affect their acceleration. Once again, it is gravity that pulls them down. Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law states that when one body exerts a force on a second body, they are equal. This is called a balanced force. The action is the two boys are hugging. The reaction is they both have equal forces. And this is Newton's third law of motion. Once again, the five guys are hugging with the same amount of force that are equal. This is called a balanced force. The action is the five guys are hugging, and the reaction to this will be they have equal forces, which causes them to be balanced.